Olympic
station, isn't it?
Stadium. Yeah. Paris Stadium.
Started this one. So
Yeah,
it's
the
Paris Saint-Germain.
Stadium of France.
It's
Look,
Olympic Village here.
yeah, the Olympic
Last year.
Stadium last year. Passing the stadium. Look at the stadium. Look, it's like a flying saucer too.
Soccer stadium.
Soccer stadium nila. That is the soccer stadium of Paris. Oh, diba? Ayun oh, yung Olympic last year, you see?
Yeah.
Yung kanilang ano.
Swimming or
Yeah. This is in the other side of the stadium.